Alright, so what's up guys? Got a little different video for you today. Doing an unboxing on these Outlaw straps, ratchet straps. So one of the guys I ride with and is in my local deal sport group is actually involved with this company, veteran owned company, so that's nice. And he hooked me up with these, full disclosure, just gave them to me. And but I'm going to be giving 2 sets away. That wasn't part of our deal, but I want to do that anyway. So the first set here, you get 2 in the box, and they are a self-retracting strap. And this particular one is rated at 1,500 pounds. And each set comes with extra strap material that's just looped on the end in case you need a little more length. The second box here has just a standard style ratchet handle, rated for 2,300 pounds, and these are 12 feet long. Again, comes with extra strap material. And this third box here is their most heavy duty strap. It's an 1.5 inch strap, rated at 4,400 pounds, and it's 15 feet long, and again comes with extra strap material. So if you want to support local, I'd never thought about the possibility that somebody local to me would be involved in a ratchet strap business, but I always get my ratchet straps at Harbor Freight, and I take care of them, so they usually last me 8 to 10 years maybe. So I expect these to last me a really long time. And again, I'm going to be giving these 2 sets away, starting with this set. So be sure to like the video, be subscribed, and comment, just any comment, and you'll be entered a giveaway if you're in the lower 48, and I'll get these shipped out to you. I'm not sure on timeline, but we'll give it a week or 2 to run the video, and then I'll pick a winner. Every box comes with a carrying bag to put your straps in after you've unboxed them and used them. And this one I feel like is really nice. Again, retractable. I've never owned one like that or used one like that, but it seemed pretty neat to me. All the carabiners, or all the hooks rather, have a spring closure on them, so if you're using them with motorcycles and handlebars, can't bounce off the bar, so that's good. Yeah, I haven't used them obviously, but they seem really high quality, and the price is pretty good. So if I'm remembering correctly, these I think are like 35 bucks, and nowadays the 500 pound working load kind of cheap ones from Harbor Freight will run you half that, nearly 15 bucks for a 4-pack. So I feel like it's a pretty good value, and like I said, to support in this case a veteran owned business here. So yeah, check them out. I'm going to link their website, and I'm pretty sure they're on Amazon, so I'll link that as well. It won't be a affiliate Amazon link, so I won't be getting any money if you purchase a set off there, but just trying to help out a fellow local rider, and I appreciate it. So check them out. Like I said, links will be in the description. Be sure to like, comment, and be subscribed to enter the giveaway to win this set here, and we will catch you on the next one.